Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can detect which plugins a site is using on WordPress. So let's get right into it. Now, if you're sure a site is a WordPress site, you can detect what plugins it is using in a couple of different ways. Now, the first one, and let me just go over into my site title and go into my site view. What you can do is right click and go into inspect element. Now, here in my specific case, you won't see any plugins here, that being because I have a free WordPress site, which does not allow me to have plugins. I would need a business subscription, which I do not have, but pretty much this is uh, what you can do. If you know some general ones, you can search for them here. So, for example, if I go control find and, for example, WooCommerce, as you can see, it does have WooCommerce Analytics. I'm not sure how it does, but as you can see, you can search for them. You can also manually scour through the code and find any popular plugins like that, or you can even find any plugins you don't know of yet. So yeah, that is one way. The other way is, and I'll go into Google for this one, you can go to Opera or whatever Chrome extensions, and you can go to the Chrome Web Store and you can search for example, WordPress theme detector and plugin detector, and you can install something like this. If you're using Opera or Chrome or any Chromium browser, you can install these and you will be able to use it to detect which plugins uh, a site is using. And yeah, that's pretty much the two best ways you can do this. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.